Introduce yourself. You.
Yeah, yo, so my name is Akul Singer. I am from
Hmm.
class 8 and I am from JPS Noida, JP Public School Noida. I am from UP. That's
Okay.
all.
Cool. So yeah. So you now you can start. Your app demo. Okay.
So basically my app name is The Mathematician.
Hmm.
Basically in class 8
Hmm.
we are having like some formulas in maths.
Okay.
And after giving exams, like we children are very much curious that let's go and search for the answers. Some
Hmm.
children are scared of like calculations, like we won't like to do calculate. We need a calculator.
Okay.
So nowadays we have seen arithmetic calculator much than this calculator
Hmm.
what we
Hmm,
have
hmm.
there. So it's an app which can run offline also, so there is no
Okay.
issue.
Hmm. Hmm, hmm.
So we just need to click on it. So it's saying me to click on the next button to move
Okay,
forward.
can we see that app demo? Actually, I can't see here now.
Sure.
Yeah.
Now,
So
oh, shares. Yeah, so sorry for the
it's
inconvenience.
it's
So
okay.
what you need to do is like just enter your name here.
Amazing. Hmm.
Like I have entered my name. Then we click on submit.
Okay.
So it's saying me to click on the next button to move forward.
Hmm. Amazing.
So basically, here's some quote of the day, like said to motivate us, like
Hmm.
Shakunna Devi said by Shakunna Devi Ramanujan and more. So here we are having the simple calculator.
Okay.
So it's a simple arithmetic calculator. We can
Hmm.
add numbers to and to. We can square the numbers
Hmm. Cool and
and
something.
all.
Amazing. Cool.
So then we have. So it's like
It's okay.
it always says something
Hmm.
like
Hmm,
here.
hmm.
So here's a website which I made for Ural's formula. So
Hmm.
it's about Ural who was him. His formulas, like he discovered two formulas and told us like how
Okay.
much number of faces you have. Like a cuboid has, we say, six number of faces,
Hmm.
same as a dice has. Then we need to count its vertex, basically means its corners.
Hmm.
Then we need to calculate its edges. Edges are basically the two lines, like this is
Okay. Hmm. Hmm.
so
Hmm,
this
hmm.
can be a edge. These two lines
Right.
can
Right.
be as
Right.
edge. So
Okay.
here I entered a value for dice.
Hmm. Hmm.
Basically,
Hmm.
a dice is having six faces, as you see, one, two, three, four,
Hmm.
five,
Hmm.
six is
Hmm.
number. Then we count the vertex. There's eight vertex,
Hmm.
and there are 12 edges.
Right.
So when we calculate, it says yes. So it's basically it is a 3D space shape figure,
Hmm.
and Euler's formula suggests that if the calculator says my calculator says yes, so it can be a 3D shape. It is a 3D shape, and it's not valid for curved shape like it's a cylinder and all. It's not valid for that, but it's valid for the shapes which are made from 9 segments and all.
Okay. Cool.
Then we have perimeter calculator.
Hmm.
So you can pick your shape.
Hmm.
So let's choose parallelogram and
Hmm.
change our values. So what should be the length you maintain?
Hmm.
And the base should be, I think, what it should be 13. So let's
Hmm.
calculate. So it shows 50. So basically the perimeter is 50 and the
Hmm.
unit can be anything, because if we will be adding unit calculator, the students should be like will be continuously changing the things meter to meter square. So it will be little tough to do that in the app, but it's not impossible.
Cool.
Then the total surface area, which has been a main chapter in our
Hmm.
in our maths book. So because like we can say ninth and tenth, they are like in boards, the
Hmm.
consideration questions are like
Hmm.
pretty. When I saw them, are pretty tough for So I made this calculator also. So like you can select one shape. Let me choose cube,
Cube.
and then
Okay.
so we know the total surface area of a cube is 6a square. So
Right.
basically, if I enter 2, so
Hmm.
it will do first a square, so which is 4, and then it will do 6 4, which is 24.
Okay.
And at the last, we are having this the great mathematician of India. So like there are many mathematicians in India, and there are some great also. So we don't know about them, and the students can also learn about them. Basically, I have connected it to the web viewer so that we can view millions of like the Aryabhatta and all the like great mathematicians of India.
Okay, cool. So, okay, amazing. So that overall app you have created using MIT App Inventor, that is one thing, right? Second thing, have you used any extension for your app?
No,
No, right? So it's like you can create this app using only App Inventor. You don't need any extension, external
yeah,
extension here,
no
right?
extensions.
Amazing. Let me know more about the components about this. Like I know that there is a button,
Yeah,
okay, text box, labels that
yeah,
you have used, layouts, okay, and
yeah.
any other component you have used.
Yeah, I have used some more components for like
Something.
doing the things. So,
Can you show your code or like design?
so are you able to see the screen of MIT?
Yeah. Wait a second. It's
So,
loading. Yeah, amazing. Done.
so basically, this is the logo which I
Hmm.
designed in Canva.
Amazing.
So I thought, why not Aryabhatta as like it's a great Indian mathematician? Why not to make it the logo of my
Yeah.
company?
Yeah. Cool.
Then I have this like what the text box,
Hmm.
then a submit button, and then labels and the next button.
Hmm.
Then we will move on to second screen. So it's basically all about layouts and all. So it's
Hmm.
having a text to speech. All the components are same. Just the code is different in like the things in the screens.
Okay.
So we have the screen 3. So
Hmm.
this is the mathematician screen. Here I have used web viewer as a component, new component.
Hmm.
Then we have this area calculator,
Okay.
same as perimeter. I have used list picker
Hmm.
to like pick your shape, and I
Hmm.
have given a disclaimer also like if the student doesn't change it, it may
Hmm.
be like a problem to him or her. So I have added a text also here which gives answer. When like there is no answer, it will show you this text only. Like, please change your click on change if you change your shape. Then same as the perimeter calculator. This is the Urals formula. This website is made on Google, like Google slides,
Hmm.
sites.google.com. So it's easy to do that thing. Like, so we have made a website
Hmm.
connected with WebViewer as done with earlier with the great mathematician, like the screen. Then the total surface area we are having same as the perimeter.
Got it.
Just we are having change in our blocks
Hmm.
here.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
So
Cool.
you can see it's a code of like what should I say? It's a fish market of codes, basically.
I really like it. Okay, and yeah, have you participated in the appathon, like App Inventor appathon?
Not participated in hackathon, but I have participated in ATL marathon,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
which is from like the government AIN, ATL
Hmm.
Innovation Mission. So I have just currently participated there, and I'm making an app for health.
Hmm. Hmm.
And I won't like to disclose because it's my
It's okay.
personal
It's okay.
life.
No issue. Cool. Any tips for App Inventor?
Like I
For
can
big.
say like app inventor is like a basic thing.
Hmm.
After like being pro in app inventor, we can move to Cordular.
I like the Codular
And
also. I really like Codular also, but that is not a open source actually. Na that
yeah,
App Inventor is a open source, but Codeler not. So maybe in the future or right now also they are charging some amount for the premium version or something, and okay, it's So, but the app inventor have no any this type of issue, right? So
Yes.
that's the reason I really love it, because I really love the open source thing, so you can create your own app inventor also, no? Like you can download that code if you know the Java or something, so you can just create your own. Okay, so that thing I really like about the app inventor overall actually. So that's why I never use the other platforms like Odular, or there are a lot more platforms.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Helptable and all.
Yeah, right, exactly. So I think first you should learn the app inventor, then you can go with any programming languages. Like you should start like with the Flutter, you can start the Dart with, you can start the that what is this Java, okay, and the Kotlin you can do.
Yeah.
So you can
We
start.
can start. We
Hmm.
just need basics. So I have also learned Java and all basics,
Okay,
but I
amazing.
have never applied them on an app because I feel dangerous.
Hmm. But you can, yeah, you can start with the basics actually, like that we have done in App Inventor. Like we are doing the Hello World, okay, the simple thing. So you can also you create the Hello World program in Android Studio using Java. It's a one line of code.
Like
So,
so, using
so
system.
just start with step by step. Don't worry about that. So cool. Then anything else you wanna say?
And
No.
like and subscribe to his channel.
What's your channel name?
Code and learn with Akul.
Okay, amazing. Okay, so yeah, guys, subscribe Akul's channel also and the coding bus also. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Okay, ठीक है. Okay, Akul, thank you so much. Nice to meet you. Bye bye.
Thank